Hello, my name is Richard Янг from redfilms.tv, and today we have just obtained the brand new iPhone 13 Pro Max. The prices of this is from $1,099 to $1,599, from 128 gigabytes to 1 terabyte. The color we have here is graphite, which is similarly like a dark grey. The other colors that you can get are Sierra blue, gold, and silver. The box has a load of textures on it, similar to the iPhone 12. It has textures around the phone, the cameras, and this shady bit. I actually thought it was a bit darker than what I've seen on the promotional adverts, but let's just hope that this image on the outside of the box is similar to the actual phone inside. Now holding it feels very luxurious. I've actually never held something so expensive in my life. But anyways, let's unbox it now. It's quite a hassle. First one done. Second one done. And now that we've peeled off the stick tape thing, I don't know what Apple calls it, we can finally lift open the box and see what's inside. It's so shiny! There's shine on the edges, there's curved, there's shine on the logo, and the 3 triple cameras. Okay, no, I'm scared. I'm so scared right now. My god, it feels so luxurious and expensive. I've never held something. Oh no! I've gotten fingerprints all over it now. Okay, no. Let's just set this off to the side. And look at what we have in the box. So here we have a lightning to USB cable. I don't know what's this strange obsession with Apple wanting to, like, not want Android chargers. They always have to do something special to their chargers, so no one else can use them unless they have an Apple phone. So taking this bit off, we can now see the full length of the charger. Normal size. Now let's see what we have in here. Should be the usual. We have a SIM card ejector, some instructions and contracts, I guess, and a sticker that you can put on your laptop. And actually, now I just realized, guys, there's no charger. I feel like this is a scam. So apparently we get to have the wires, but not the chargers. This is stupid. So now I guess we have to go to the official Apple store and buy ourselves a charger, because it's for some reason not included in the box. Or we can get one from a third-party brand. You can find them on Amazon, eBay, everywhere, even your local tech shop. But I'd recommend using Anchor. Don't misspell it. Don't misspell it! Anchor. Okay? Anchor. Since they have good, reliable, and efficient products for a reasonable price. But anyways, moving on. Here we have the iPhone that almost slipped out of my hands. Thankfully, it's alright. Put all the trash away, because this deserves its own spot. Now the dimensions of the screen is 6.7 inches tall and 3.07 inches wide, with a thickness of 0.3 inches. Now, we actually have the iPhone 12 Pro Max right here, so we can properly compare with our eyes the size. So looking at the size, they are pretty much identical. You can't tell them apart unless you really looked into it. Now the buttons on the side, they're in a similar shape. They're basically the same, except this one's a tiny bit shorter on 13 Pro Max. All of these are the same, except that the 13 Pro Max's SIM card tray is longer and slightly moved slightly above. But aside from that, they're pretty much identical. So, now we get to the best bit. Unpeeling. That was so satisfying. And now we're going to start the boot test, which is where we power up both phones to see which one loads up quicker. I'm actually not sure which one will power up quicker, but we'll see. So, hand on the power button, and 3, 2, 1. Now we just have to wait for the logo. Okay. It's gone dimmer for some reason. Oh! And the iPhone 13 Pro Max wins by about 2 seconds. So, taking this away since we don't need it anymore. The intro is aesthetic as usual. I forgot we have to set this up. English. United Kingdom. Now it's setting up the language. I don't think we need to do this, so I'll just set it up manually. Now that we've connected to the Wi-Fi, it's data and privacy, we can just press continue. Now we have to set up Face ID. I have to carefully position my face. Oh, I missed a bit. Yay, Face ID set up now. Now I need to create a passcode. Just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my god, now I have to re-enter it. I don't think we'll need to transfer our apps and data, so I'm just gonna press this. And now we have to set up my Apple ID.
T
HD03.
H
D03.
So now that we've correctly entered in our Apple ID details, we're gonna press agree. And wait. Now the rest of this is pretty boring. Just keep your phone up to date. Location services. Apple Pay. I'll just set this up later. Don't use iCloud keychain. Siri's fine. Continue. Not now. Screen time. Don't share. Dark mode. Display zoom standard. And welcome to iPhone. Our new phone is now loaded up. So now we can compare it with the iPhone 12. We actually don't have a SIM card in it, but it's fine. Oh! You can actually see that the iPhone 13 Pro Max is just a little bit thicker.
Of course I'm wearing that.
But now comparing the notches, the notch is much smaller on the iPhone 13 Pro Max than the iPhone 12. But it has gained a little bit of thickness, I just noticed. Now, looking through the iPhone 13 Pro Max, we can see that the display is actually much smoother. This is because the iPhone 13 Pro Max is the first generation of iPhone to have 120Hz display.
Magic.
Now, the main differences between these two phones are A, the much longer lasting battery life in the iPhone 13 Pro Max, B, the 60 to 120Hz refresh rate, and finally C, the upgraded camera quality and a brand new cinematic mode for videos on the iPhone 13 Pro Max. The big question that you've probably been asking the whole video, should you upgrade from the iPhone 12 Pro Max to the iPhone 13 Pro Max? Definitely. This phone definitely outweighs the performance in this phone. So, the minute you can get your hand on this, be thankful you're not stuck with this. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Bye!